I-chat lang ko ma'am ha kung na concern. Ha? Salamat kayo. Amping mo, sir. Ay, salamat kayo, sir. God bless. Nagwapa kayo, guys. With bumper, stainless, brand new mags and tire, 4x4, Tiptronic transmission, non-turbo. VIP ang setup. They're approved by financing. Thank you RFC Davao for accommodating our clients. Yan. Client from Davao City. Ang package ani is nasa 295,000. Wala na siya, ma'am.